Hi, my name is Manish. I am a Cryo student and I am coding teacher in Bright Gems. So I'm here to answer a JavaScript question that what is the difference between an array and an object. So we know that both are non-primitive data type in which they can hold multiple values and different data types as well. Like they can store all the primitive kind of data type in that in both of them. But why do we need two different types of primitive kind of data if we can have one? So if you want to first talk about arrays, so arrays we can store it like all the items in square bracket and we can store the multiple values. But in the case of array, if you can clearly see that I have defined here an array, that we can see like that values are stored, but they are not clearly showing that what they are. Like we can see that there are 45, 56, there are different values, but it's still not specify that which type of value is that. It may be marks of someone, it may be some kind of data that is too different. So array is a good data type, but still it's not used when we have to store our data in a more organized, in a more strategical form. Then we can use it in an efficient way, and that's why we have something introduced as an object. If you can see that I have created an object that is created with these curly brackets, in which we can see that I have defined different properties. Suppose what is this Manish? This Manish is a first name of a person. So person is a object in which we can store the properties as well as their values. So we can see that there are different types of values and what kind of values that we can also specify. In the case of array, we have to define two variables, two different arrays. First one to store the properties names, and second one is for the properties values. In that case, it will be very hard to manage both the errors. It's a very cumbersome task to array and handle all the errors and write all the codes. So in that way, we have introduced something that is object. And object and arrays both represent the same kind of data type, that is objects. And we can use objects where we have to store our data in very organized form and we have to use the data in future in very efficient and in very strategic order, and arrays that are used to store the data in if we have only one kind of data or something like that, where there is no such kind of things where we have to store the key value as well. So array and object are both data types, primitive non-primitive data type, but they have this slightly difference. Thank you.